In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and customize your checkout settings on Shopify. If you're looking to optimize your Shopify store's checkout process, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and make sure your checkout experience is as smooth and efficient as possible for your customers. First, let's start at your Shopify dashboard. From the dashboard, head over to your store's homepage. This is your central hub where you can access all the different settings and tools. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's where you'll make many important changes to your store. Now, locate and click on the Settings option from the menu. This section, accessible via the bottom left of your screen, is your go-to for modifying various elements of your store. It's essentially the control center where you can tweak nearly everything related to your e-commerce site. Once you're in the settings, you'll see a range of options available to you. Find the Checkout option and give it a click. It's here where the magic happens to adjust the attributes of your store's checkout process. The checkout settings are pivotal as they directly impact your customer's experience from cart to completion. Having a smooth and straightforward checkout sequence can boost your conversion rates by reducing cart abandonment. After you've entered the checkout settings, you'll need to navigate to the Checkout Rules section. This is where you can begin customizing how your checkout process behaves under various circumstances. These rules allow you to tailor the checkout experience to better suit your business needs and your customers' expectations. Next up, to implement any changes, you'll want to click on the Add Rule button. By adding a rule, you have the flexibility to define specific actions or conditions within the checkout flow. For instance, you might want to require certain fields or add special instructions. Consider these rules as a way to streamline and safeguard the purchasing process, ensuring customers have all necessary information without unnecessary hurdles. Remember, every change you make here should be in service of simplifying the experience for your customer while capturing the essential details you require to fulfill orders effectively. And that's all there is to it. From accessing your store's settings to modifying the checkout rules, these simple steps empower you to improve the Shopify checkout experience for your customers. Don't hesitate to revisit and refine these settings as your business grows and evolves. A seamless checkout process not only enhances user satisfaction, but can significantly contribute to your store's success. Thank you for joining us today, and happy selling!